Here are 5 simple care tips that add years to your laptop's life. Tip number 1. Keep it clean. Regularly clean your keyboard, vents, and screen to avoid dust buildup. Tip number 2. Watch the battery. Avoid keeping it plugged in 24/7. Charge between 20% and 80% for longer battery health. Tip number 3. Avoid overheating. Always use your laptop on a flat surface. Overheating is a silent killer. Tip number 4. Update and protect. Keep your OS and antivirus updated to protect performance and data. Tip number 5. Handle with care. Use a padded sleeve, avoid sudden drops, and don't slam the lid shut. Follow these steps and your laptop will stay strong for years to come. At Exacttek, we make tech last longer, for less.